have actually never had a girlfriend in my whole life. I never thought.
Inamin ni Andres Mulak, ang gwapong anak ng aktor na sina Aga Mulak at Charlene Gonzalez na hindi pa siya nagkaroon ng girlfriend since birth. Sa madaling salita, no girlfriend since birth, o NGSD. Ginawa ni Andres ang pag-amin sa isang media conference para sa kanyang contract signing sa Viva Artists Agency. I haven't had a girlfriend my whole life, really. I've tried to date. I went on a few dates in my life, but ended up going on the relationship level. It never really reached there. Panimula ni Andres. Nang tanungin kung ano ang hinahanap niya sa isang babae, sinabi ni Andres, "It's just someone that I can enjoy spending time with, someone that can make me laugh. Also, another important thing is that, a girl that is very God-fearing, and puts God first in her life. It's a big factor for me, because that just shows me the fundamentals of how this person is intact." Nilinaw ni Andres na hindi siya naghahanap sa ngayon, dahil trabaho ang priority niya. "I'm not saying that I'm looking for one right now, but I'm more focused with work. Really, right now," sabi ni Andres. "In time, it will come, the right time. She'll be there for sure. Sana, di ba? But, yeah, I'm just more focused on my work right now," dagdag pa niya.